musicians for our party tonight. Louis, lay it on there.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and jam? Hello? Tiana, should be about some musicians by now.
Don't you worry, Louis. We're gonna find just what we need in the party.
If you're looking for a musician, you don't have far to go. Tell the people not to come.
Can play. Hallelujah.
They can play, no doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Listen to this. These cats can play.
Let's get you back to your big, old, beautiful selves.
Not the